Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless glue guns that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Pink Power Mini Cordless Hot Glue Gun Kit. This product is perfect for those who prioritize portability and a splash of style, thanks to its vibrant pink design. The kit includes 20 glue sticks and a USB charging cable, making it a complete package for crafters on the go. The quick heating feature ensures it's ready to use in just 90 seconds, which is faster than many other glue guns in its category. An LED indicator provides a helpful visual cue, letting you know when the glue gun is ready to start dispensing. In terms of design, the Pink Power glue gun is lightweight, weighing just under 12 ounces. Its compact build makes it easy to handle and maneuver, especially for smaller DIY projects, arts and crafts, or home repairs. However, with a heating time of 90 seconds, it's not the fastest on this list. While it's great for light crafting, its 3.6-volt battery and moderate wattage of 9.36 watts might not be ideal for heavy-duty applications. The Pink Power Mini Glue Gun is a solid choice for beginners or casual crafters. It's highly portable and easy to use, but it lacks the advanced features seen in higher-ranked options. Pros include its lightweight design and quick heating, while cons include its lower power output and slower performance compared to others. Overall, it's a budget-friendly option for light crafting needs. At number 4, we have the Cordless Hot Glue Gun Kit. This versatile glue gun is designed for users who need portability combined with performance. It features a 30-second fast heat-up time, which allows you to get started on your projects quickly. The included intelligent control chip ensures safety by shutting the device off after 5 minutes of inactivity, saving battery life and reducing the risk of overheating. With 20 included glue sticks, 10 clear and 10 colored, it's a great option for those who love colorful, creative projects. The build quality of the Cordless glue gun is impressive for its size. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended crafting sessions. The anti-drip nozzle and stable silicone base are standout features that prevent messes and ensure stability when not in use. However, while the 2,500 mAh battery is decent, it's slightly less powerful compared to premium options, and it's not recommended to use the device while charging. The Cordless glue gun is an excellent choice for DIYers and hobbyists who want a balance of affordability and functionality. Pros include its fast heating time, anti-drip design, and included glue sticks. Cons are its slightly lower battery capacity and the fact that it's not suitable for heavy-duty tasks. This is a great mid-range option for crafting enthusiasts. Taking the third spot is the Dremel HSGP-01 Cordless Hot Glue Pen. This is a fantastic option for those who value precision and speed. With a super fast 15-second preheating time, it's one of the quickest on the market. Its unique pen-like ergonomic design sets it apart from traditional glue guns, providing superior control for detailed work like embellishments and fine crafts. It comes with 4 glue sticks, a USB charging cable, and a power adapter, making it a complete package right out of the box. The design of the Dremel glue pen is sleek and modern, with a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The built-in 4V lithium-ion battery offers decent runtime and recharges quickly. However, it's worth noting that this pen is primarily designed for light-duty tasks and may not be suitable for heavy-duty applications or high-volume crafting. The Dremel HSGP-01 is ideal for precision-oriented users, such as crafters, DIYers, and even professionals who need detailed application. Its standout features include its rapid heat-up time, ergonomic design, and portability. On the downside, the limited number of included glue sticks and its focus on light-duty tasks may not appeal to everyone. Overall, it's a premium option for those who prioritize control and speed in their crafting tools. At number 2, we have the GoGoNova Hot Glue Gun. This product is a fantastic all-around performer with a 20-second preheating time, which is 5 times faster than many traditional glue guns. Its cordless design, powered by a 2-hour USB-C rechargeable battery, allows you to work anywhere, making it perfect for outdoor projects and hard-to-reach places. The anti-drip dispensing system minimizes glue waste and keeps your workspace clean, while the 5-minute auto shut-off feature adds an extra layer of safety. The GoGo Nova glue gun is built with versatility in mind. It's compatible with a wide range of materials, including plastic, fabric, wood, and glass, making it suitable for everything from DIY crafts to minor home repairs. The 25 included high-purity glue sticks provide strong adhesion and ensure you're well-stocked for multiple projects. However, its lightweight design and mini glue stick compatibility mean it's better suited for small to medium-sized tasks rather than heavy-duty applications. The GoGo Nova Hot Glue Gun is an excellent choice for users who want performance and convenience. Its pros include fast heating, anti-drip technology, and a versatile battery. The only downside is its limited suitability for heavy-duty projects. Overall, it's a high-performing tool that balances speed, functionality, and portability beautifully. Finally, at number 1, we have the NACO 02660A Cordless Glue Gun. This product strikes a perfect balance between affordability, performance, and reliability. With a rapid 2-minute heating time and a stable working temperature of 145 degrees Celsius, 293 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a dependable tool for both crafting and minor repairs. The included 2,200 mAh lithium-ion battery offers an impressive 100 minutes of runtime, allowing you to tackle longer projects without interruptions. Plus, the anti-drip insulated nozzle ensures precise application and minimizes mess. The NACO glue gun is lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. It comes with 10 high-quality glue sticks and a mini USB charging cable, so you can get started right out of the box. Its versatility is another major plus. It works well with materials like paper, fabric, wood, and plastic, making it suitable for a variety of tasks ranging from DIY crafts to home repairs. The NACO 02660A stands out for its value proposition. Its pros include fast heating, long battery life, and an anti-drip nozzle. The only potential drawback is that it might not be ideal for industrial-level projects due to its compact size. However, for the average user, it's hard to beat this combination of quality, performance, and price. It's the best overall cordless glue gun on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.